Good day, learners! Magandang araw! Maestrangfilo will be your teacher today. We are going to discuss another lesson in English. But before that, if you haven't watched our previous video, please visit our channel, Maestrangfilos. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. Thank you! Today, we are going to learn about pronouns, its definition, and examples. Are you ready, kids? Let's go! Let's read and analyze the following sentences. First, Ara loves baking cakes and cookies. She works in a bakery. The underlined word is Ara. It is a noun. In the next sentence, the word she is encircled. It substitutes the noun Ara. Let's read the second sentence. Ben loves reading. He always visits the library. The underlined word is Ben. It is also a noun. In the next sentence, the word he is encircled. It substitutes the noun Ben. Now, I have a question for you. If Ara and Ben are nouns, what part of a speech is she and he? Good job! They are pronouns. What is a pronoun? Kids, a pronoun is a word that is used as a substitute for a noun or a noun phrase. Let's read the common examples of pronouns. He, she, it, you, me, I, we, us, this, them, and that. Now, let's go back to our first examples. Ara loves baking cakes and cookies. She works in a bakery. She is a pronoun that substitutes the underlined noun Ara. Ben loves reading. He always visits the library. He is the pronoun that substitutes the underlined noun Ben. Here are other examples. Let's substitute the pronouns for the underlined nouns. First sentence. Father is reading a story. The underlined nouns are father and story. Father can be replaced with the pronoun he, and story can be replaced with the pronoun it. Therefore, our new sentence will be, he is reading it. Second sentence. Karen brought me to the hospital. The underlined word is Karen. Karen can be replaced with the pronoun she. Therefore, our new sentence will be, she brought me to the hospital. Third example. My classmates gave Nina a gift. The underlined nouns are, can you read, kids? Very good. The underlined nouns are my classmates and Nina. Now, my classmates can be replaced with the pronoun they, and Nina can be replaced with the pronoun her. Therefore, our new sentence will be, they gave her a gift. Fourth example. The sales lady saw the customers. The underlined nouns are, kindly read, learners. Brilliant! The underlined nouns are the sales lady and the customers. The noun sales lady can be replaced with the pronoun she, and the customers can be replaced with the pronoun them. Therefore, our new sentence will be, she saw them. It's time to practice. Let's know if you learned something. Don't worry. This will be an easy task. All you have to do is choose the correct pronoun. Are you ready, kids? Let's start! Number 1. Shaina went out with her friends. Blank went out with her friends. Which is the correct pronoun? He, she, or it? Correct! The answer is she. She went out with her friends. Number 2. She went out with her friends. She went out with blank. Which is the correct pronoun? That, they, or them? Correct! The answer is them. She went out with them. Number 3. The book is inside the box. Blank is inside the box. Which is the correct pronoun? He, she, or it? Correct! The answer is it. It is inside the box. Number 4. Rika's friend is telling the truth. Blank friend is telling the truth. Which is the correct pronoun? Her, his, or its? Correct! The answer is her. Her friend is telling the truth. Number 5. Mark is a fisherman. Blank is a fisherman. Which is the correct pronoun? He, she, or it? Correct! The answer is he. He is a fisherman. Great job, learners! Did you answer all 5 questions correctly? If yes, you can move to the next stage. If not, you can go back to the discussion and keep practicing, okay? Kids, do you know that there are 9 types of pronouns? But for this video, we are going to focus on the first 5 types. These are personal, indefinite, demonstrative, interrogative, and possessive. Are you ready to learn more? Let's go! Let's start with the personal pronouns. These are words that are used as substitutes for the name of a specific person or thing. These are the examples. Personal pronouns are divided into 2 groups based on their function in a sentence. The first group functions as the subject of the sentence. These are he, she, it, you, I, we, and they. The second group functions as the object of the sentence. These are him, her, it, you, me, us, and them. We use the subject at the beginning of a sentence. These are some examples. I want to be a nurse. The personal pronoun is I. You gave me life. The personal pronoun is you. We are family. The personal pronoun is we. They saw my bag. The personal pronoun is they. The underlined pronouns act as the subject of the sentence. Therefore, they are all located at the beginning of the sentences. We use the object at the middle or end of a sentence. For example, Eva scared me. The personal pronoun is me. The teacher called you. The personal pronoun is you. She invited us. The personal pronoun is us. The family looked for them. The personal pronoun is them. The underlined pronouns act as the object of the sentence. That is why they are located at the end of the sentences. The second type of pronoun is called indefinite. It refers to an unspecified person, thing, or quantity. Here are some examples. Nobody, someone, anyone, something, whichever, whoever, all, some, any, several, each, both, few, other. Let's use them in a sentence. For example, someone called me yesterday. The indefinite pronoun is someone. Nobody believed me. The indefinite pronoun is nobody. All are amazed at the dog. The indefinite pronoun is all. Both of them passed the test. The indefinite pronoun is both. Take note that all the underlined indefinite pronouns have no specific gender or quantity. Third, we have demonstrative pronouns. These are the words this, that, these, and those. Examples of demonstrative pronouns. The first one is this. It refers to a singular thing that is nearby. For example, this is an apple. The second one is these. It refers to more than one thing that is nearby. For example, these are apples. The third one is that. It refers to a singular thing that is far. For example, that is a star. Lastly, we have those. It refers to more than one thing that is far. For example, those are stars. The fourth type of noun is the interrogative pronoun. This pronoun is used in a question. Examples of interrogative pronouns are who, what, whom, whose, and which. Let's use them in a question. Who is your favorite teacher? The interrogative pronoun is who. What is the title of the movie? The interrogative pronoun is what. Whom did you ask? The interrogative pronoun is whom. Whose bag is this? The interrogative pronoun is whose. Which is the real gold? The interrogative pronoun is which. Lastly, we have the possessive pronouns. They are pronouns that indicate ownership and possession. Examples of possessive pronouns are his, hers, its, yours, mine, ours, and theirs. Let's use them in a sentence. His novel is my favorite. The possessive pronoun is his. The house on the left is hers. The possessive pronoun is hers. Its memory card is here. The possessive pronoun is its. The floor is yours. The possessive pronoun is yours. All the underlined pronouns indicate ownership of the mentioned things. Here are other examples. The red car is mine. The possessive pronoun is mine. The time is ours. The possessive pronoun is ours. Is it your loss or theirs? The possessive pronoun is theirs. All the underlined pronouns indicate ownership of the mentioned things. Now, kids, it seems that you gained a clear understanding of pronouns. I think it's time to test your mastery of the lesson. It's quiz time! Kindly get a sheet of paper and a pen or a pencil. Directions. Choose the correct type of the underlined pronoun. Number 1. Whoever quits the game will lose. The underlined word is whoever. What type of pronoun is this? A. Possessive. B. Personal. C. Indefinite. Number 2. It is my last wish. The underlined word is it. What type of pronoun is this? A. Interrogative. B. Personal. C. Indefinite. Number 3. What is the cause of your downfall? The underlined word is what. What type of pronoun is this? A. Possessive. B. Demonstrative. Or C. Interrogative. Number 4. This notebook was given to me. The underlined pronoun is this. What type of pronoun is this? A. Possessive. B. Demonstrative. Or C. Interrogative. Number 5. This company is mine. The underlined word is mine. What type of pronoun is this? A. Possessive. B. Personal. C. Indefinite. Number 6. Somebody sent me a gift last week. The underlined word is somebody. What type of pronoun is this? A. Interrogative. B. Personal. C. Indefinite. Number 7. Those jackets were bought yesterday. The underlined word is those. What type of pronoun is this? A. Possessive. B. Demonstrative. Or C. Interrogative. Number 8. Which is the correct answer? The underlined word is which. What type of pronoun is this? A. Possessive. B. Demonstrative. Or C. Interrogative. Number 9. Her mother is an attorney. The underlined word is her. What type of pronoun is this? A. Possessive. B. Personal. C. Indefinite. Number 10. We witnessed the accident this morning. The underlined word is we. What type of pronoun is this? A. Interrogative. B. Personal. C. Indefinite. Now, let us check your answers. You can ask your parent or guardian to check your answers, or you can do it yourself. Just remember, honesty is the best policy, okay? What are your scores, kids? Wow! You did a great job! Give yourselves a round of applause. Again, this is Maestrangfilo. See you in our next lesson. Bye!